EzCare AI is one of the most talked about new AI software releases in 2025, and in this review, we're going over 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to AI or just looking for a tool that can elevate your business processes, stay tuned, because I'll break down exactly what makes EzCare AI stand out and why it could be your next go-to solution. And yes, you can try this software completely free from the first link in the description below. Now, before we dive into the specifics, I'll tell you right away, there are some game-changing features in EzCare AI that could dramatically improve your workflow and save you a lot of time. Whether you're in healthcare, customer service, or just need an all-in-one assistant, EzCare AI's versatility is built for you. But I promise there's one feature toward the end that might just surprise you. Let's get into it. First, EzCare AI comes with an intuitive user interface that's designed for both beginners and advanced users. If you've used AI software before, you'll immediately notice how easy it is to navigate. You won't waste time figuring out how to use the platform, making it ideal for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours on training. The second thing you should know is that EzCare AI integrates seamlessly with popular CRM systems. Whether you use Salesforce, HubSpot, or another platform, you'll find EzCare easily syncs with your existing tools. This means you don't need to start from scratch. It complements what you already have in place, saving you a lot of hassle and manual work. Now, one of the standout features that sets EzCare AI apart from other software is its advanced data processing capabilities. It doesn't just help with tasks like scheduling or follow-ups, it also has AI-driven insights that can analyze your data in real time. Imagine being able to pull valuable insights about your customer interactions, patient data, or anything else you track automatically without needing to dig through piles of information. Thirdly, EzCare AI is built with strong security features in mind, which is crucial for businesses handling sensitive information. Whether you're in healthcare or another field, protecting your data should be a top priority. This software encrypts your data, ensuring you don't have to worry about breaches or leaks. Another key aspect to know is that EzCare AI offers automated customer support. With smart AI chatbots and real-time assistance, you can offer immediate help to customers or clients, even when you're not online. This is a game changer for businesses that rely on customer service but don't have the bandwidth for a 24/7 team. Now, one thing I love about EzCare AI is how customizable it is. If you need a specific solution, this platform allows you to create tailored workflows and processes to suit your exact needs. Whether it's for scheduling appointments or managing a team, the level of customization ensures that EzCare works exactly how you need it to, without being restricted to rigid templates. But here's the real kicker. EzCare AI uses predictive analytics to forecast future trends. This means it can help you predict customer behavior, trends in your industry, or even anticipate demand spikes. With this predictive power, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. To sum it up, EzCare AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their operations and boost productivity with cutting-edge AI. From data analysis to customer support, its versatility is second to none. And again, you can try it for free right now through the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I have my recommended list in the description, which includes EzCare AI and other powerful software solutions. Don't miss out on these, they could change the way you work.